Annyeonghaseyo, Junior China and Mida. And this is my mother.
Hi.
Hi, anyong ko sa'yo.
How old are you, Shaina?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay. And what is your grade right now?
Grade 3.
Okay, grade 3. Shaina sir is a grade 3. Also your partner, what is job of your partner?
Motorcycle.
Shaina's father sir is only a motorcycle. What is the salary of your partner?
2,000 only.
Sir, only a 2,000, sir. The salary of Shaina's father. Thank you so much for Shaina, what is your dream in life?
My dream in life is to become a nurse.
Okay, Shaina sir is want to become a nurse someday. Professional nurse.
Ikaduha, ang sarili.
What is your hope?
I hope I can finish my study and help my family.
Okay. Shaina sir want to help her family someday. Hi mother.
Hello.
Hi mother.
Hello, anyong ko sa'yo.
Hello. Sir Kokonim want to ask you that what is your job and your partner also?
My job is housekeeper.
Shaina's mother, sir, job is a housekeeper only. And what is your salary once a month?
This a month is 5,000. Hey.
Hi Bernadette. Hi Bernadette. Annyeong Sky. Jalia. Hi Jalia. Annyeong.
Annyeong.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you sa mo.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Saranghe.
Sayangi.
Thank you. Kamsamida.
Kamsahamnida.
Sige, eating pizza. Thank you.
Ako lang. Ako yung ate.
Ate. First ko. Biga ako.
Bibi, ako lang magkuha, bibi.
Hindi ko mama.
Siya mo pag-iwala.
Hey.
Ah, bibi, ah.
Shop. Ano po?
Ketchup, be. Ato ka na, be. Ba't nga nato?
Si pakita sa sid nga nagkakaon si kasi na thank you ali.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hindi ko pizza.
Ikaw, Sky. Ano?
Kaya ko sa Bernabe. Thank you.
Kay? Oh,
Ate Adi, di putang na.
Thank you.
Di putang na.
di ka mukha na ni?
Oh.
Ang sakang kay, te. Sige, te.
Hindi mo naman. Bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Hey guys.